Hi everyone, it's Jack from Jack's English, and today I'm starting a new series where I help you, the student. In this new series called Ask Jack, you, the student, can ask me anything and I will turn it into a video where I teach you something that can be a little confusing. So we start off today looking at the difference between wish and hope. This is a question I actually get so much. What's the difference between wish and hope? And I got it recently in a class. The difference is simple actually. Hope is possible. Wish is impossible. That's the basic difference. But let's look deeper at how we can use wish and hope. Hope is possible. And it's usually used in the future. The structure is sometimes I hope full infinitive. For example, I hope to go to university next year. This is not so common. It's more usual to use I hope present simple. This means you have a hope for the future. So for example, I hope I get into university next year, or I hope I go on holiday this summer. However, you can use hope with all the different tenses. So for example, I hope you had a great holiday, past tense. I hope you are having a great holiday, which is right now. You can also use will. I hope you will have a great time. So hope can be used in many tenses, and it refers to the possible, desired situation. Wish, on the other hand, is impossible and is very often used in the past or present. It refers to what we want, what we desire, but as I said, is impossible, we can't change it. Let's look at the structure more closely. In the present tense, it's I wish past simple verb. For example, I wish I were taller. Presently, I'm not tall and I wish I were taller. In the past tense, we use the past perfect verb. So if I had an exam yesterday, but I didn't study, then I'd say, I wish I had studied for the exam. Another example, I wish I had learnt English more when I was young. This is a very common example used by my students. An additional tip I would like to give you is that wish can be used in the future, but we use it as kind of an ability. So for example, my friends say to me, hey Jack, come on holiday with us, but I can't. So I say, I wish I could go on holiday with you. So we use the ability, the possibility of can, but of course, as it's the wish structure, you must put it back one tense. I wish I could go on holiday with you this summer. So that's how you can use wish, referring to the future. So I hope that clears it up for you. Wish and hope. It's quite tricky, and a lot of my students do make a mistake with it. So spend some time looking through my video, practice your own examples in the comments below, and I will check for you. Additionally, if you want your question answered, please leave a question in the comments and I will consider it for future Ask Jack videos. As always, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can grow and give you more and more of this content. I hope you have a wonderful week and see you very soon. Bye bye.